So good morning, guys. Today we got something special we're going to be doing for you. We're going to be changing up some things here on the UTV. We are currently riding on our Yanmar Bull 700, and it is like riding on a boat. If you want to climb the mountains in Virginia and get the ride like you're riding in a boat, this is the UTV for you. And so we're going to be changing up the exhaust system on this baby. And it says we're going to be putting the silent rider muffler system on. It says it drastically changes the decibels that is put forth from the system. So we're going to give it a test. I don't know if it's going to work or not, you know, and so we're just trying to figure out a way to get into our hunting land more quietly. And so we'll see, you know, in a world of promotion and people saying things work like they do, you know, the best thing that I have found is to test it out yourself, you know. So I don't know if it'll work. You guys, what do you guys think? Y'all let us know in the comments beforehand, before we put it on. Let us know if y'all think it's actually going to work or not. But we're going to bring this video to you. Going to be putting it on. Then we'll show you the decibels before and the decibels after. Let you know if it's worth investing for you. You guys stick with us. I believe it's going to be a great day. All right, so we are unboxing the Silent Rider muffler system here. Cute little muffler. The Silent Rider comes with the flange that hooks up to the exhaust system, and then it's got the hangers, and then all your bolts and instructions. Who needs those? So we'll get to it. Also, another reason why we're changing out this muffler system on the Yanmar Bull is because the one that was on it would bog it down in the cold months and wouldn't allow the engine to run properly. So changing that out as well. I'll let you know what the results are. All right, so we're going to be taking off the old muffler system. Looks a lot like it. So it's got the hangers and stuff in place already. So just going to basically undo these bolts right here. A little bit rusty. Well, that didn't work out. It broke off. So what are we going to do now? What shall we do? Huh. Well, we might have to, I don't know what we're going to do. Maybe we could just use that old system, that flange right there. It looks about the same. Unless I screw in there. Well, how safe that would be. We'll get to it. So we have ran into an issue. Our old muffler system has become so rusty that this flange won't come off of here. So we're going to have to do some redneck engineering here. Takes 5/8 socket. So we are changing out these flanges. So y'all can see here, this part of the muffler is rusted out. This is it's a six-year-old UTV. But anyways, it's rusted out here, so I'm not gonna be able to change that flange out, looks like, unless I can get in here once I get this whole muffler system off. We'll see. Redneck engineering, baby. Oh yeah, that'll work. I do believe. Sockets and hangers. One bolt, 2 washers, one nut, except for the nut putting it on. Pretty easy setup. That Silent Rider sends you 2 washers, or it sends you 2 hangers. Hooks right into the frame of the Yanmar, and then you just tighten it down. But you're supposed to change out this, but mine's too rusted to do that, so we're just going to leave that in place. It looks like it's still going to hold there, so I'm going to tighten that up, make that a tight fit. So that's that is the setup there. Looks pretty good. As you can tell, as I was saying, I don't know if you are able to see that from that angle, but these bolts right here had done completely rusted out. So I still have 2 in that flange, and I have this other one in case that would fail out. And but let's do a decibel chest. Decibel chest. Let's do a decibel test here now and see how she is. So this is the decibel test of the previous muffler before we changed it out with the Silent Rider. And this is the decibel meter with the Silent Rider. As you can see, not much change. Well, you guys seen the results there on the decibel meter, and I think the Silent Rider is a hoax. Just for me, I mean, what I seen, which I wasn't able to change out that flange, as you've seen in the video there, I was not able to change that out, so that could be a possibility of it all, but I really don't think that flange would affect it that much. So actually, some of the decibel rates were actually higher than the first muffler. So, but to be honest, if it helps, not with the bogging down in the wintertime, that'll be an added benefit. But as far as silence, so thank y'all for watching, and hopefully I help save you guys some money by not buying that. Maybe there's something else out there. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Be glad to try out a different product if you know one that we should test. Thank you. Y'all have a blessed day.